Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Who is the fastest growing drill bit manufacturer in the United States? Taurex Drill Bits. With a history dating back decades, Taurex's primary products are polycrystalline diamond compact drill bits manufactured in Taurex plants in Conroe, Texas and Norman, Oklahoma. These PDC drill bits are designed in-house and manufactured from either raw steel or tungsten carbide powder using CNC machines and high-temperature furnaces. All drill bits are outfitted with diamond cutters made by leading cutter manufacturers using the latest leaching technology. In an effort to help energy companies achieve more with their drilling programs and reduce their carbon footprint, Taurex is committed to building the drill bit company the industry deserves. A leading example of this dedication was the formation of Taurex's patent-pending automated metrology lab. Known by the acronym AML, this technology uses an automated 3D robotic scanner to produce a digital dull that allows for precise diamond loss measurements on every PDC cutter post run. This automated process removes subjectivity associated with the long-standing industry practice of visual dull grading and evaluation. The resulting data and increased knowledge support a digital feedback loop to facilitate bit forensic analysis and rapid continuous improvement for both Taurex and operator. Through AML, Taurex is committed to helping operators achieve maximum rate of penetration and to get to 1 bit faster. When rate of penetration is important, when durability is important, when peace of mind is important, run with a bull. Visit Taurex today at taurexbits.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.